game here. Okay, introduce yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am. It's my pleasure to introduce myself. My name is Haripriya. I'm from Nellore. I'm currently staying in Hyderabad. And coming to my qualifications, I'm completed my BTech in the stream of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Goodur Adishankara College of Engineering and Technology, and completed my intermediate at Sri Chaitanya Women's Campus, and I completed my schooling at ZPP High School. And coming to my family details, we are consisting 4 members, including me and my brother. He is doing first year of degree. And coming to my technical skills, basics on core Java. And coming to my project details, I did project on PCB in the sense printed circuit board. And I done internship as a technical and quality testing in Dixon Technology. And coming to me, I'm active person. In school days, I play sports and games. My favorite sport is Coco, and I'm selected for that international level. And I'm active person. And when I get chance, I very much interested to learn new things. And I'm a chillax person also. I'm quick learner too. And my dream is to get a job in reputed company to make my parents proud. That's it, ma'am. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
What is Java?
Java is a object-oriented programming language. It is used to develop the web applications, gaming applications, and desktop applications, etc.
Okay, why we use Java?
Because I'm choose Java. Java is a secure and reliable language, and it is also easy to learn and use. So I'm choose Java.
What is the difference between while loop and do while loop?
While loop, there is only one condition. If condition true, until it check, it execute infinite times. So we use do for one condition. After that, we use while loop. So if it condition true, it execute the some block of code.
What is the method overloading?
Method overloading, two or more methods having the same name but different in their parameters. They are differed by number of parameters, type of parameters, and sequence of parameters.
Okay, what is the constructor overloading?
Constructor overloading, two or more constructors having the same name but different in their parameters. They differ by type of parameters, sequence of parameters, and number of parameters.
Okay. What are the conditional statements?
If else, nested if we give one condition, if it true, it executes some block of code. By taking if, we take if else. If we give one condition for if it false, it go for else condition, it executes the else block.
What is the oops?
Oops follows some concepts like abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance.
Okay. Explain about the inheritance.
Inheritance, it is the mechanism which acquires the properties from one class to another class, is known as inheritance. In inheritance, parent class and child class. Parent class means to give the properties from another class is known as parent class. Child class means to get the properties from parent class is known as child class. By using extends keyword, we give the inheritance between two classes.
Okay. What is an array?
Array is a data structure with a set of homogeneous elements with a fixed data size.
Okay, what is the difference between the class and object?
Class is a collection of data and object is of variable. When object is created, memory is allocated to the data.
What is a super keyword?
Super keyword is used to refer the immediate parent class objects.
What is an abstraction?
Abstraction is the mechanism and showing essential information to the user is known as abstraction.
What is a string?
String is a predefined class. It is also one type of data.
What are the data types?
Two types of data types, primitive data types and non-primitive data types. In the primitive data types, they are int, float, character, double, short, long, and non-primitive data types, array. That's it.
The typecasting.
Typecasting means it converting one form of data into another form is known as typecasting.
The hierarchical inheritance.
Hierarchical inheritance, it contains one parent class and more than child class is known as hierarchical inheritance.
supports multiple platforms like Linux and also Microsoft Wide supports.
Because can carry the bytecode to one platform to another platform, so it operates many platform independence like Mac, Linux, and Windows.
Okay. What are the features of Java?
Features easy, robust, platform independent, object oriented programming language.
What is a local variable?
The variable declared inside the class and inside the method is known as local variable.
What is a global variable?
Global variable in the sense inside the class, outside the method is known as global variable. Global variable can access throughout the entire class.
What is a return type?
Return type in the sense if we return some value by using return keyword in the method definition is known as return type.
Okay. What is a polymorphism?
Polymorphism, poly means many, morphism means forms. Polymorphism is the mechanism where the object behaves in different situation is known as polymorphism.
What is encapsulation?
Encapsulation is the mechanism which which combining the data and code into a single unit is known as encapsulation.
What are the access modifiers in Java?
Access modifiers are public, private, protected.
It's a parameterized constructor.
Parameterized constructor means it passes some parameters, so it is known as parametered constructor. By calling constructor, it passes some inputs, so it is known as parametered constructor.
Advantages of abstraction.
Abstraction main advantage is code security because we're hiding details, so no one will show our code. So code security is the main advantage of abstraction.
So Haripriya, your communication is good, and at the same time, you're technically also you're good, and then HR will get back to you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.